How to watch Kraken. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can watch Kraken. Now, to watch Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, you'll typically need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to visit the website. So for that, open up a browser, type in www.kraken.com, and that's gonna take you to the official page. So after that, you'll be able to see the interface as something like this. So from here, go ahead and tap on the link, that is www.kraken.com. That is going to directly take you to the official page where you have to go ahead and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Kraken dashboard, and there you'll find various options and features available on the platform. Now, due to some security concern, the interface is unavailable, so I'm just going to instruct you. After that, you need to provide the real-time market data for various cryptocurrencies. You can explore different cryptocurrency pairs, check their pricing, trading volumes, and other relevant information as well. And if you already have depositing funds or cryptocurrency in your Kraken account, you can monitor your portfolio performances. And apart from it, you can also access the trading features, and you can also explore additional features like trading option, margin trading, staking, and more. And you can also secure your account, and you can log out when finished. So that's basically how you can watch on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.